Hello, how you guys doing? My name is Gus. Um, Plans are to be broken. I always make plans and I always break them. I've been doing this for more than 10 years, so I'm okay. I don't feel bad about it. Okay, by the way, so I was supposed to do 6 days and 1 day off, but I am not that physically healthy. So what I'm gonna do is just 3 days working and 1 day break. All right. So I want you to know that. I want you to understand that. And all right. So we're gonna do is PQR today. Let's start with the big P. Okay. You can do that. Also, you can do like that too. All right, let's do R. Also, you can do like this too, like P. Either way, fine. And S, P, Q, R. Wait a minute. Why am I skipping Q? Because I didn't like Q. You know what? When you look at the Palmer method, Q is a weird looking guy. This is Q. Can you believe that? Unbelievable. You know what? This is pretty ugly, and who can read that? Okay, so I'm just gonna do O and Q. What about that? Better, huh? Much better. All right, so we did P, Q, R. I didn't like Q, so I was going to skip it, but I can. All right, let's do P in small letters. Pretty similar. Similar. P. Or P. Either way, fine. All right, let's do Q. Small q is okay. Small q is okay. All right, let's do R. PQR. Okay, today we did PQR, big letters and small letters. I hope you have a fantastic 2021. Nothing changed. Nothing changed here and there. And please take care of yourself. Wear a mask. Have a great day. Bye bye.